Hey guys, let's talk about buying that first home. I can tell you what your first home is probably not going to be. Your first home is probably not going to be every single thing that you want. We actually had a house built and we still probably only got about 75% of what we're looking for. So let's just take a look inside here. So we're just going to go inside for a second. Okay. Think about what are the things that you really need with your home. What are the things that you need? You need safety. You need the amount of space that you need. And that's really all you need really to get started with it. So let's focus on the things that really matter. Let's get a home that's in your price range and let's let that home build some wealth for you so that you can have that money to then sell that house, take that equity, and buy the house that you really want. It may take 2 or 3 houses before you get the house of your dreams. That's okay. You're young, you got plenty of time. Let's get started.